This segment is sponsored by PLEIJ Salon. PLEIJ Salon has once again opened their doors, and they are taking every precaution, of course, to make sure that their guests and their professionals are staying safe. Among the list of protocols they're now adhering to, all staff have been certified by Barbicide and OSHA, OSHA.gov, covering sanitation protocols. Now, they've invested in a high-quality filtration system to ensure clean air circulating throughout the facility, and also they'll be checking client temperatures when they arrive. So here's Joe Sam with a look at one of their many excellent services.
We're back here at PLEIJ Salon and Spa, which is focusing on redefining beauty and making you feel confident each and every day. And that's exactly what we want to learn about here today. Someone who knows exactly all about redefining beauty is Miss Tashay Oakland here to give us some information about something that I need help with, right? Hair restoration is what we're talking about today. Tell people, what is hair restoration?
Hair restoration is just a term that is commonly used to describe a procedure or a method for hair loss.
And it's something that's great for me because I've always struggled with it. And as you can see, I just decided to do away with it all. For men, there's a process that you guys have too to help them with hair restoration.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about that.
So this method is called Hairskeen, and Hairskeen is probably your more modern, natural looking hair units for males that are experiencing a little bit of thinning or complete hair loss.
Yeah, you don't want anybody to think that you're wearing a toupee.
No, absolutely.
That's why you have to come to the professionals here at
Absolutely.
PLEIJ Salon and Spa, because you're going to get them feeling good about themselves and walking out knowing that people are going to look and be surprised that it looks so natural.
Very natural, and the fact that it's very durable, and it pretty much will fit any lifestyle that you have.
I love that because a lot of men are super active.
Yes.
I love that you mentioned that. But not only for the men, but you have some really great extensions for women as well.
Absolutely. So, so I am blessed to specialize in at least 6 different hair extension methods because I don't believe there's one method that just works for everybody. So, so here, right here on display, we work with only 100% Remy hair, and it comes in all different colors as well as textures.
I love that you have that too, the different colors, because we see people, especially with the spring coming, they want to be a little bit more colorful and playful with their hair, and you can express that here at PLEIJ Salon and Spa.
Yes. And then also too, you know, the quality, quality is very important, and that's the difference, that we don't work with anything that's synthetic. Because we want it to look as natural as possible. And the reason why people get extensions is not always because they want to have that long, you know, housewife hair.
Yes.
What they're wanting, a lot of just, they just want to look like themselves. And unfortunately, especially this day and time, people are experiencing hair loss at an early age. And so, so to be able to assist in that manner and present something that's very natural to them is important.
It's really great that you're doing that, because back in the past, they didn't have all these options for hair restoration. Now there's so many, and a lot of people may get a little confused about how much they have as far as hair restoration is concerned. And you're breaking on down to them to where it's simple, because you do free consultation.
Yes, absolutely. And that's where the consultation is very important, so that way we can sit down and kind of talk more about the history of your hair, and then just create some solutions for you.
Everybody loves a good solution.
Yes.
I know I do too. So now I may have to come out. You're not going to see me with the long hair in a bit.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Get it braided. I'm probably going to work with.
Dreaded.
Get the cornrows and dreads. This is something really cool, because now people have other options besides just going bald or finding another hairstyle. Now they can really restore their hair, and they can do it with an affordable way. You guys have a really great promo that you're offering.
We do. So for all our viewers that are interested in any of the systems that we offer, we are offering a free consultation as well as $100 off your installation.
$100 off, that's big for a lot of people loving to save that money. So for people who are looking to get this done, where can they find you at?
Yeah, so we are located off at PLEIJ, 8930 Lyra Drive, and you can call us at 614-54-SALON, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, PLEIJsalon.com.
Like you just heard, if you're looking to feel confident each and every day and focusing on the importance and the education of hair restoration, come on down here to PLEIJ Salon and Spa. They're going to get you looking good and feeling good, and at an affordable price.
All right, thank you, Joe. PLEIJ Salon is open today and other weekdays. It'll be 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. Saturdays 9 to 4, Sundays 10 to 4. And they ask guests to check in for their appointment by texting or calling as they arrive.